how's it going everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset a Trane furnace easily. So there's only two ways to do this. Basically, first things first, we have to perform a simple system reboot. You just want to go ahead and turn it off first. You want to lower down the thermostat so it stops calling for heat. And then you want to locate the power switch, often a regular metal light switch, and then you can simply turn it off. Now, alternatively, you can flip the HVAC circuit breaker off in your home main panel. Now, basically with this one, we have to wait for at least 30 to 60 seconds to allow the internal capacitors to drain safely and safety mechanisms to reset. From there, we could just go ahead and turn it back on, flip the switch or the circuit breaker back to on, and then you want to set your thermostat to your desired temperature. Now, the second way is to perform a physical limit switch reset. If the furnace is locked out due to overheating, a manual reset limit switch might be the only choice right here. So first things first, you want to remove the front panel. You want to turn off it completely, unscrew and remove the upper blower and burner access panel. Locate the rollout switch. Look near the burner assembly or the blower housing for a smart, usually round limit switch with a visible reset button. From there, we want to go ahead and press to reset. Firmly press the button, close it back up, and then basically from there you have performed the physical limit switch reset on your furnace. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.